Welcome to BoxPut Factory. We are a professional Android TV box manufacturer, providing smart entertainment solutions for customers worldwide. Today, let's take a look inside our production process and see how an Android TV box is made. At BoxPut, every product goes through a complete manufacturing process, from motherboard production to final quality testing. With advanced equipment and experienced engineers, we ensure stable performance and reliable quality for every device. The manufacturing process starts with the motherboard. Through SMT technology, thousands of electronic components are accurately placed onto PCB boards. This creates the foundation for the powerful performance of our Android TV boxes. After assembly, each PCB goes through automatic inspection. Our quality control system checks every detail to ensure components are correctly installed and meet production standards. Before final assembly, every motherboard is tested for key functions, including power, interfaces, and system stability. Only qualified products move to the next production stage. After passing all tests, the motherboard, housing, accessories, and software are integrated into the final Android TV box. We support different product designs and customized solutions according to customer requirements. BoxPut provides professional OEM and ODM services, including hardware customization, software support, and complete TV box solutions. Contact BoxPut today and build your next smart entertainment product with us.